people skilled in Python are highly sought after and highly paid. But the real question is, what does it take to crack that Python interview? Understanding the importance of Python, we have come up with this class on Python interview questions, which will cover the most common interview questions asked with respect to Python. Now, before we go ahead with the session, I'd like to inform you folks that we have launched a free learning platform called as Great Learning Academy, where you have access to free courses such as AI, cloud, and digital marketing. You can check out the details in the description below.
So we'll be starting off with our first question. What are variables in Python? So to answer this, whenever you're working with any programming language, you are basically working with data. And if you're working with data, you would have to store that data somewhere. And this is where variables come in. So you can consider these variables to be temporary storage spaces. Let's say you have a bunch of student names to store somewhere. Now what you'll do is you'll create a temporary storage space and you will go ahead and store the student names in this temporary storage space. So as you see over here, we have this value called as John, or the name of the student called as John. And if we want to store this value somewhere, we would need this variable. So I have created this variable called as student, and I am storing this value of John in this variable. And a variable has a name associated with it and a memory address associated with it. So as you see over here, this is the name of the variable and this is the memory address of the variable. And as I have told you, variables are temporary storage spaces, which means that once you store a value in a variable, it can be changed after a point of time. So here what I'm doing is I am starting off by storing this